Every day, I walked past the walls of the ghetto, hearing the quiet cries of children. Tiny hands pressed against dirty windows, eyes full of fear and hunger, staring at a world they could not reach. I wanted to hold them, to tell them everything would be okay. But I could not. Every step I took, every glance I gave was dangerous. One wrong move could mean death. Yet I could not walk away. I could not ignore the little lives that depended on me, even if they did not know it. My name is Irina Sendler. I was born on February 15th, 1910, in Otwock, near Warsaw, Poland. My father was a doctor who treated poor and Jewish patients for free. He died when I was just 7 years old, from typhus he caught while helping sick people. I think that was when I learned that helping others, even at risk, is what really matters. When the Nazis invaded Poland, I worked as a young social worker in Warsaw. I had a special permit to enter the Jewish ghetto to check sanitary conditions, but I could not just look at their suffering. I joined the underground organization Jagota, which secretly helped Jewish people. I made a dangerous choice. I would save children. I hid babies in ambulances, children in boxes, even in bags of potatoes. Each child I saved got a new, false identity. I wrote their real names on small pieces of paper and buried them in glass jars under a tree, hoping that one day they could find their families again. In 1943, the Gestapo caught me. They tortured me, breaking one of my legs and my foot, and sentenced me to death. But the Polish underground bribed officials, and I escaped to hide. I never revealed a single name. After the war, I continued quietly helping people. I never wanted fame. I only did what any human heart should do: help another heart that is drowning. I lived to 98 years old, and in 1965, Israel honored me as righteous among the nations. This is something I want you to always remember. Even saving one life can change the world.